I thought I had two on the phone. 12.5, now 15 pound dollar. At 12.5, look at the 15 pound dollar. At 14, you look at 14, 15 pound dollar. 14, 15. I'm at 14, look at the 15 pound, 15. Did you call your man? 18 pound dollar. I thought I had one on there for you. 17 pound, 18 pound dollar. 17 pound, look at 18 pound. Online now, 18 pound, 18 pound, 18 pound, 18,000, look at 18 pound, 18,000, look at 18 pound, 18 pound, 18 pound, now 19 pound dollar. 18 pound, look at 19 pound dollar. Staying here. 19 now 5, 19 5, 19 and 5, pound over 19 5, 19 5, 19 over 19 5, 19. I sold the tractor right there for $23,000. Is it all right if we recognize who bought it? Jackson Bozeman with Bozeman Farms bought this tractor. 100% of the proceeds. Hold on one second. And we appreciate Mr. Bozeman. He helps us and supports our sales a whole lot. Now I'm going to open it up, and I got a list of donations right here. You ready? To the price of the tractor, I got $1,000 from Farm Credit in Lewisburg, Carolina Greenhouse at $500, Lewisburg Tractor at $500, Ashley Barnes with Barnes Equipment at $250, Parker Phillips $100, N&N Farms in Lewisburg $1,000. Am I going too fast? Okay. Farm Bureau of Franklin County, $5,000. And North Carolina Farm Bureau, $5,000. Anybody else wanting to add something to it? Southside Livestock, how much? Right, don't give it to me, give it to them. I'll be done spending. Miss Kim Stewart gave $100.
Enterprises, $500.
DR Enterprises for $500. Appreciate all the support on these efforts right here, and with y'all sponsors and even buying the tractor. Especially like to thank Bozeman Farms for their support with this. Thank you.